lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new in this channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabina Yasmin and I am in the blog named Glitter C. I talk about lifestyle, beauty, cooking and some DIY tips which will help you ease your lifestyle. So today we would be discussing on a very serious issue which a lot of females and males everyone are facing, and that is dark circles. Now why dark circles come? First we have to know the reason why it is coming, then we can treat for that. The reason for dark circles are normally categorized into three. The first is that because of the stress. If we are taking unwanted stress or any sorts of stress, we are having this problem of dark circles. Then we have some sleeping disorders, like we can't get sleep at required time, we become insomniac. So because of this issue also we will have dark circles. And the third one which I'll recommend you to go to doctor is because of some hormonal problems, some internal problems, we often feel dark circles are coming. So for the first two part, like for the stress, you should be always motivating yourself and also de-stress you with different exercises, and along with it you can use these DIY tips to help eradicate dark circles. So let's not waste any more time over much of explanation. Let's go directly into the DIY sections. So the DIY tips which I would like to give, the first one is a coffee aloe vera serum. So how we will be creating it? We will require a coffee, any coffee you can take. I had this Nescafe at home, so I have used this one. Then you need one aloe vera gel tube, any aloe vera gel you can take. For my case I have used Newish aloe vera gel, it is 99% pure, so I have used this. This is very good. And apart from that, I would require coconut oil. So I have used this natural Cocosol organic coconut oil. Any coconut oil you can use. You can use parachute coconut oil as well for this case. So before beginning, I will require a small bowl which I normally used to take, and then I'll need this spoon. So first I'll take 1 tablespoon of this coffee. Some of the coffee got oxidized, oh my god, just bear with me. So I have taken out coffee, 1 tablespoon of coffee, as you can see. Somehow I have taken out. Then I will be using this aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon. Then I'll need this coconut oil, that is also 1 tablespoon. So I have taken all the three ingredients in this little bowl and I'll just mix it very thoroughly. See, coffee has an antioxidant quality in it which helps in reducing all those puffiness and redness from your eyes. And coconut oil is just awesome. It has the anti-inflammatory qualities for which again the dark circles will go and your skin will be more firmer and more tighter. And what I can tell about aloe vera, aloe vera is a wonder to the skin. Any part you can apply aloe vera gel, it is very good for your skin. It moisturizes, it nourishes your skin, and also working these firm lines, wrinkles and dark circles as well. So all this product which I have used are miracle to your under eye problems. So we have to mix as usual. So it would be like this kind. So you can store it in some container. I have this container. You can order it from Amazon. I linked the best containers in my description box. Then you have to put this thing in this container and put it in freeze. For like if you are someone who don't like those cold products, then you can keep it outside. For that case you can preserve it for 7 to 10 days maximum. But if you keep in freeze, it will be staying for 1 month. I will apply it and I'll show you. So this is already done. Now I will be putting it on my eyes. I'll make the camera a little closer so that you can have a proper look. I'll put my finger like this. I'll put all over my eyes. Coffee is great to your skin. One of my video will be coming on the benefits of coffee and how you can use it to whiten your skin and all other skin irritations which you have. So this is the after look, so fresh. You should apply it. So the next part of the DIY, the second way in which you can make DIY creams is by using again aloe vera gel and vitamin E. These two are wonders to the skin. you can use the first one which I have shown, or you can use this one. So here it is very simple. I'll use directly something like this. In it you can directly do it, or in a small bowl you can do. I will do it in the bowl because it is easier for me to show you how I am putting this. So I'll just put directly this aloe vera. 1 tablespoon is enough. Any quantity you can add. For me, I'll create for now 1 tablespoon. So 400 mg tablet, this vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good for skin. It will help to look more younger. It makes the skin more younger. So I'll use a scissor and I'll cut it. So I have added this aloe vera gel and vitamin E. You can mix it with your spoon. I'll prefer you to mix with your spoon, but I am doing it with my hand because I will be applying it now and I have no intention of storing it right now, because this amount I'll use in 1 or 2 days, so it's okay. So this is the paste, if you can see. So now I'll apply it. Put it like this and sleep for the entire night. Overnight you have to keep it. In the morning wash your face with cold normal water, and that would be okay. You will see the result within 7 days. See, this dark circles I had because from the last week I'm glued to Netflix, which is creating very problem for my under eyes. Also, I have another video coming up on my channel with the 5 recommended Netflix series which I want you to see. Those are very good, and I am totally glued with it. I don't get any time other than this night to watch all my series and movies, so that's why this is creating havoc problem to my skin. So I have applied it. In this way you can apply and sleep overnight to reduce all the fine lines and all the dark circles if you have. So hope you like this 2 DIYs which I have shared with you. Apply it, use it, and you can store it easily in your fridge. It's very affordable and you can keep it at home. This is a natural ingredients which we are used, so this is always very beneficial to your skin. I always prefer to use natural products than using any chemicals which would cost thousands to 1,000 rupees, because it's not worth it. It's not worth it with your skin. So be fair with your skin and do the DIYs or apply creams which are actually beneficial, which is paraben free. And since these are homemade products, so you can obviously understand this has no preservatives, this has no parabens which are very bad for our skin health. So I hope that you will use it and let me know in the comment section below how you like about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because your subscription give me inspiration to do more videos. Until we meet with our next video, hope you will take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, be happy. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.